Today, we're making broiled mustard salmon.
We love salmon at HSN because of its omega-3 content.
But doesn't it also have 6 as well?
It does. The difference between wild-caught and farm-raised salmon is that wild-caught has a higher percentage of omega-3s than omega-6s, and farm-raised has a higher percentage of omega-6s than omega-3s. We want a higher percentage of omega-3s because those fight inflammation. Omega-6s increase inflammation. So, let's get to make this salmon.
Bring on the omega-3s. If you struggle with drying out your salmon, this is the recipe for you. Fresh ingredients on the top, moist, and it's delicious.
Typically, we'll pair this with roasted vegetables and sweet potato. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.